Yeah, j less than or equals to I minus 1 or j less than I. Both are same, right? Pawan. Complete the next one, guys. Next pattern. See this. Completed, right? This program. Same pattern. I did not change anything. Just ch equals to a I have written. Just in that logic only I changed that what right character I have taken ch plus plus and ch minus minus I have written. Oft times incremented, oft times decremented. Same pattern, guys. This is the same pattern. See this same the pyramid pattern only. ABA, ABC. Oft times it is incrementing, oft times it is decrementing. Okay. Now next to this pattern, this one, guys, n equals to 5, 1, 2, 6, 3, 7, 10. This patterns we write. Yeah, guys, how to write this pattern? See once. Yeah, this one. See, guys, what is the pattern of this? I want to write this 1, 2 in the first row, guys. N is how much? N is 5 only. N is 5. Yeah, 1, 2. This is a 3, 4, 5. Right. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows should come. Okay, no? Simple logic. But 6. Next 6 should start from second row. 6. Next 7. Next 8, right? Next 9. Next value is 9. Next value should start from third row. 10 it is. It's 11. It's a 12. Next 13. It's a 14. And last value is 15. Yeah. Guys, can I print directly? First column. Can I print a first column? See, guys, cursor always it will go from top to bottom. Nothing but a first 1 has to print, next 2, 6 has to print, next 3, 7, 10 has to print, 4, 8 next values it has to print, next values like this you only have to print. First column you can't print, guys. First column and again cursor won't go back and it will print. Are you following what I'm saying? Cursor won't go back. It will won't go back, right? Always cursor will go this direction only. First row like this. Okay. Now it will first row will be printed, guys. Right after that only second row. Are you following, guys? This is first row. How it has to print? First row has to print. Next second row has to print. Means 1 first row, 2, 6 has to print. Next third row, 3, 7, 10 has to print. 3, 7, 10. Fourth row. Next this row has to print. Next this row has to print. This way only can print, guys. Clear it is. Now how to print, guys? For example, if you want to print this, yeah, we check it. 2, 6. First 2 will print. 6 how will print. This is I value only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is I value only. I will store in one variable. Now how much you have to add? 4 has to add. What is 4? Can I write 4? N minus 1. Yeah, 4 I will add. Next, when it comes to third row, 4 has to add. Okay, 4 added. Next 7, 10. Next 3 has to add. Now when it comes to last row, guys, how much I have to add? 4. Next 3 has to add, right? Next how much? 2 has to add. Next 1. When stop this? 4, 3, 2, 1. That is difference. We are adding how much? 4, 3, 2, 1. Difference should decrement. What is a difference? N minus 1 first. Take N minus 1, it should increment. Okay, now how to write this program? See, guys, I want to write this. I want to execute this, right? Clear? Understood. This is first I row only I will print. I values only I will print. This is the second pattern, right? Yesterday I told you this pattern, guys. What is the pattern? this pattern. I is 1, I less than n rows you want, but columns, how many columns you want? J less than I pattern. This is j less than I. Guys, once check this second pattern, guys. Yesterday notes, open once and check it. Second pattern open, guys. Check the second pattern once. What did you write a code? I is 1, I less than n. J equals to 1, right? J less than or equals to, right? We have written that pattern, guys. Okay. I equals to 1, I less than n. J equals to 1. Okay. Check it once. Yeah, guys. Then how to write this? Is the same pattern I want, right? Same pattern I will take. What is the one that pattern, guys? See this. I want to write I equals to 1. Take a value, guys. Ij I will change the values. Character required, character not required. Space ij till I will take first ij only. Ij and n. Read n. This is n minus 1. This I will remove this again. Yeah. First pattern, guys. Star pattern I want to print. From this pattern, you know, right? Yesterday this pattern. From this pattern I will write this. This is the same pattern, right? This is the same pattern. That's why. Now I equals to 1, I less than n. Okay, good. Second pattern, right, guys? J equals to 1, j less than or equals to I. This is a pattern, and I value just print. Now we are going to print up. See this star. We have to print, guys. Print star. And now I want to print what? Here we have to print a star, guys. Okay, no? Yeah. For example, if I enter file, same pattern, right? We are expecting same pattern 10. But if you give space, then it will good, right? Then it's look like it's good, right? Yes. Now it is a pattern. Now which values has to print, guys? Now this is what is I value only, right? Now I'll print I value. Can I print I value, guys? This I will store I value some one variable, guys. Take x equals to I. What is x value, guys? Can I store x? Take x, guys. Difference one variable also. X difference also. Take difference also, guys. Now I will print x value, guys. Print x value percentile. See this x value. I'm going to print x. Print x value, guys. Now it is printing, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Clear ID. 1 2 3. Next what should come? Next value, guys. This should add, right? How much it should add? Now every time difference I will take. What is difference, guys? N minus 1. Are you following, guys? See, difference equals to n minus 1. What is n minus 1? 4. I will add to x, guys. Add to x. X equals to x plus difference. Add to x. Now see this, guys. 1 2 6 3 7 11. Now but difference is what? 3. How much added? 4 added. Again 4 added. For every time 4 is adding, right? 4 8, 4 added. 8 12, 4 added. 12 16, 4 added. 5 6, 5 9, 4 added. Everything it is 4 adding. Now difference minus minus. What is the difference should decrement, right? Now check it, guys. Now if I enter add 5 1 2 6 1 2 3. This is the output, guys. You can see the output. 1 2 6. Now we can enter 10. Yes, you can enter 10 now. 1 2 3 10, 11 to 19, 20 to 27, 28 to, like this you will get answers. Okay, see this answer. You understood? 5 I added, 1 2 6 3 7 10. Right, next line you will get output. Yeah, guys, write this output. I will explain once again. Write this. Completed, huh? Yeah, next one, guys. Last pattern today, right? Remaining patterns you have to try, guys. Next one. Completed this pattern, right? Now next pattern, guys. Completed, huh? J plus n minus minus. Yeah, you can print. That is also J plus n minus minus. Also you can print. J plus n minus minus. Huh? N minus I you can print. X is how much? X plus X is I, right? I plus n minus I you can print. I plus n minus I. Then you will get difference is what? Nothing but n minus I, right? I depends upon n minus 1, right? Every time n minus I value it increment. Here what we can write? N minus I. Yeah, next one we write a big this one butterfly pattern. I will write this, guys. We can write this also. See this. Once see, guys, yeah, n is 5. If I generate, see star in middle, how many spaces you have to give, guys? 8 spaces. I'm giving 8 spaces and star. Next 2 stars. Again, how many spaces? 6 spaces, guys. 6 spaces and star star. Again 3 stars, 4 spaces. Again 4 star, 2 spaces. This is a same pattern. Second pattern I showed, right? Previous pattern I wrote, right? Same pattern. We are writing this pattern. First print this pattern. Again spaces. Again the same pattern. Like that we have to write. Again same pattern. Below also. Same you are writing. See this. This is off, right? This is you are writing this off. This left side part. We write this pattern and the right side pattern. How to write that pattern? See, first stop I will write. First stop is what? This is a right star, right? Now see, guys, again same pattern. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 star. Give a star, guys. Again next time, guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 now 2 stars. Again next time, guys, 1 2 3 4 give a 3 stars. Now next time, guys, how many stars? 1 2 give a 4 stars. Okay, next one, guys, don't give any stars, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I want this pattern. First off I will write this. Here how many spaces? Now see this, guys. First off I will write. After same below of also I will write 8 spaces. Next how many spaces, guys? 6 spaces, 4 spaces, 2 spaces, no spaces. Okay, I want to write a butterfly pattern, guys. See this? You can draw this butterfly pattern. You understood, right? N is 5, butterfly pattern. This is the diamond pattern, guys. Are you following, guys, how to write this? Just nothing. I will write a four, just 4 loops again and again, right? You can write, write with write less amount of that code also, guys. See, first I will write this how to write easy way. This way I will write. See this, guys. Same, I want to write this pattern, guys. See once. For I equals to 1, see this printf star. See, guys, same pattern. See this same pattern I am writing. I equals to 1, I less than or equals to n. J equals to 1, j less than or equals to n. See this, I am going to write this is 5. That first pattern you got. Okay, now same, guys, again spaces and again we have to write the same pattern. Okay. Clear, guys? How to write this pattern? I want to write this pattern and spaces, and again this pattern. Write the same pattern. Okay. You should not go to the next line. First print a space and again the same stars and print a star. Again go to the next line. Right? See this. So you printed stars, right? Same while printing. Same J pattern again. Right, guys? Again J pattern or K pattern. See this. Now I want to write J pattern. Can I write J pattern? Yes. See this. J is 1, J less than or equals to I, J patterns. Again I am writing two patterns. See once. Now run, guys. This is a 5 if I enter. This 2 star. But here middle, while printing the stars, spaces logic you want. Again a spaces logic, right? What is spaces logic? Now that logic I will write. What is space, guys? Space should start from here. 5 means 8 spaces. 5 means 8 spaces means 2 into n minus 2. Take a space, guys. How to take a spaces? Now I am taking spaces. Spaces equals to 2 into n minus 2. What is 2 into n? 2 into this is 2 into n minus 1, guys. What is 2? 2 into n. 5, 10 minus 2. 8 spaces you want. Take a spaces, guys. Now I want to take spaces. Spaces. Now I am taking spaces, guys. Listen carefully. Simple logic. Now what I am writing? Simple logic. Now I will write a spaces logic. Write a spaces logic for, can I take a k value? Yes, k equals to 1. Okay, k equals to 1. K less than or equals to spaces. K less than or equals to spaces. K plus plus. I'm writing k equals to 1, k less than or equals to spaces. Print a space. How many spaces? That many times this loop will execute. Now write this. Now here spaces should decrement, right? How many spaces? Now 8, next 6, next 4, next 2, like this. Now what I have to write, guys? Here space equals to space minus 2. Space minus 2. See this, guys. Once execute, undefined symbol space. Now sorry, this is space. Okay, now k also I want, guys. See once, still error spaces space. Once execute 5. You got the first off, right? First off, same first off we have written. Can I enter 10? Yes, we can enter 10. We got spaces. Can I give a space same next time? This off, when you take this off, two spaces, right? Two spaces. Next, how much? N minus 1 stars. Now this is what? 1 to n, right? 1 to n I have written. This is n to 1 we have to write. N to 1. There's a two spaces, four spaces. Next one. Same loop. Reverse I want to write. Spaces should start from, what is the spaces, guys? See, guys. Now I'll take a spaces equals to from 2 onwards. Spaces equals to 2. Okay. Now see this. Same loop I will copy. Total I will copy, guys. What I want to do. I will change this. I equals to 1 means one loop, one it is coming, right? 1 means 1 copy. See this. Space equals to, see this, paste. Just I equals to 1. I don't want n minus 1 onwards, n minus 1. Okay. Now greater than or equals to 1 or greater than 0, I minus minus. Why I wrote like this? You understood, right? Is a what? Is a 4, 3, 2, 1. That's why n minus 1 to 1. Your this is space equals to what happens for space? Space equals to space plus 2. Next time onwards, space plus 2. Now once execute, guys. If I enter 5, got it output, right? Can I enter 10? Yes, we can enter 10. Same output. Butterfly pattern. Got it? Same butterfly pattern. First half and second half. You can simplify and you can write it. You try, guys. I wrote right. How to simplify, try once. Otherwise, I will tell you in the next sessions. Okay, write this. And second pattern also I will tell you. That pattern also, guys. Yeah, see this. First write this, guys. Try these programs. Okay, write this. Declare the variables. Completed. First half. First half completed. Second half, guys. Yeah, completed, guys. Yeah, guys. See this second pattern. Just I will tell you. You try, guys. What is this second pattern? See this. You this off is there, right? Second off. Copy above for this below off. I wrote right below off. Right this off. Right. Copy above. Same. This pattern will get. I will show you. See this. This pattern is there, right? I'll copy above. See this. Just a simple. Not copy. Cut. Now I want to cut this off. I will write above for this. That pattern you will get, guys. See the second pattern will get just a simple. If I write a 10, see the you don't want from 0, then start from 10 0 spaces. Can I start from 0? Yes, you can start from 0. No spaces, 2 spaces like this, one missing here somewhere. Start from n here, not from n minus 1 then. Okay, 2 4, this is a pattern, same pattern, copy above, then you will get the same pattern. Butterfly only. If I remove this off and if you write down, then butterfly pattern. Clear, guys? That's it today. You understood, right? How to write a butterfly pattern, and you can simplify also, guys. Try to simplify. If you try, okay, we may get the pattern also, guys. And also we have different patterns. You can try those different patterns, guys. I have given yesterday, right? You can try these different patterns. This is completed, right? Wait a minute. This is also completed. These are completed. Yeah, try different pattern. You can take screenshot, guys. Once alt print screen or right print screen. Try these patterns. I have given yesterday, I think. You can try these patterns. These patterns. Okay. Try different patterns. This also I completed already. This is also completed. This is also complete. Yeah, this one also, guys. Okay, no? This is a difficult pattern. This one and this one. This two difficult pattern, guys. Try these two programs and other programs also. But how to do those programs? Try once. Okay. It's not difficult if you concentrate, guys. Okay, if you get the logic. Getting that logic is some difficulty. That's all, guys. Okay, there is no any other complexity. Okay, na? Yeah, any doubts? Yeah, last part you want. Chandan, I will show you. Wait a minute. Complete, guys. Did you take a screenshot for this? Right? You have taken right screenshot. Yeah, this first pattern. You want to write a first up. You can start from here. That below pattern only I wrote above, right? So space equals to 0, I equals to n minus 1. Start from here, n minus 1. Space is 2. Space is 2. Right, as this is a below pattern. Yeah, completed, guys. Yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss the next topic, guys. Pointers. Don't miss the remaining topics, guys. Tomorrow onwards, topics will start, right? Pointers, arrays, strings. Okay, don't miss those classes, guys. If you miss the classes, you cannot understand anything. Till whatever you discuss, that is all basics, guys. Right? From tomorrow onwards, the topics will start. Okay, thank you, guys. Yeah, Chandana completed. Huh? Yeah, guys, thank you. You can leave. Do